Good morning, friends. It's Joy with Decor Made with Joy, and we're going to open up some Happy Mail today. But first, I wanted to remind you that I have this beautiful watermelon wreath in my stash. Made it a few weeks ago, and it is just gorgeous and would be so pretty on your front door. So check that out in my Etsy shop. So let's go ahead and open up some Happy Mail that I got this beautiful morning. The glasses are a hint of what's to come. Orange, fall. So let's take a look. I'm starting to think about fall and get ready for my fall makes that I'll start in June and July. This comes from the Front Porch Designs by Deb. And okay, let's open this up. So I already split the box. Let's fold these flaps back. And on top is a pretty piece of pink tissue paper and a handwritten note. Thank you, Joy. And then she's got her card with her QR code and all of her contact information on that. I've ordered from Deb several times before and really enjoy her products. So I don't need a lot of fall, but a few picks. So let's see what we've got. So when I take the tissue paper off, this is what I see. Lots of goodness. And so this is the first thing. I've got some picks here, just full of fall maple leaves, some berries. I see some yellow little flowers, and you take that and unsquish it and pull it apart, and you can see that there's just lots of prettiness in here, and I'm going to get several cuts off of each one. Now I did see that one little flower came off, but it's just real easy. I've already spotted the little area that it came off of, and I just push it back on. No big deal. And I could even add a dab of glue if that's a recurring problem. I just don't get worried about stuff like that. That's a shipping issue. It's just hard to get products that arrive safely. So look how big that is. It's just huge. And I love these berries in there. Okay, looks like I got several of those, maybe 4. And that little flower did come back off, so I will glue that back on when I get to my craft room. And then the second thing I ordered 4 of those. I can probably make at least 2 wreaths out of that. And then I ordered this pick. I ordered 3 of these, and it has a big pine cone, and it has this big, I don't even know what you'd call that, but a big golden yellow stalk. I don't know, but anyway. Oh, and then it's got a brown stalk up there too. I had in mind with this, I'm going to make a Thanksgiving arrangement. I've got some pretty dough bowls that I ordered from TCT Crafts, and I've got some gaps and cracks in that, and I'm going to make some pretty Thanksgiving arrangements. And so that'll look like that. One on the other side, maybe a big pumpkin in the middle. And I'm just crazy about these fall leaves. So it's not a huge order. It's got, I have 4 of those, so it's got 8 pieces in it, but just 2 picks that I ordered multiples of. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing all that Front Porch by Deb has in her Etsy shop. Y'all have a great Saturday, and we'll speak soon. Take care.